In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove reverse motion on your videos in Filmora. So if you had added reverse motion on your videos and you'd like to remove it, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps to do that. As you can see, I have here my video. This eagle was moving forward, but I had added a backward reverse motion and I'd like to remove this. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. To remove this reverse motion is quite simple. Just head over to your video clip that you had added reverse motion. For my case, I had added to this. To remove it, right click on it and you'll see reverse option is here and it is currently checked, and that's why your video is in reverse motion. To remove this, go ahead and just uncheck it by clicking on it. And now if you go ahead, you'll find now the motion has reverted to its original format. So that's how you can remove reverse motion on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.